today I'm going to teach you how to host your website on GitHub. Okay, log on to github.com, go to sign in, and then enter your email address, and then go to your password, enter your password, and then click on the sign in button and wait for it to sign you in. So once you sign in, you can see this is your dashboard. So the next thing you need to do is to download the GitHub desktop version. So click on this link and then click on download. After downloading, install it. I'm not going to download or install it because I already have it installed in my system. So once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to create a folder where you're going to save your repository. So let me say repo. Let me just give you the name, repo, or repository. Let me just say repository, something like this. So once this is done, the next thing you need to do is to open the desktop version that you've created. Open it and create open it. Okay, once it's open, the next thing you need to do is to create a repository and save it inside this repository folder. Okay, so go straight to here, new repository, the name, let's say food blog. For the description, it is optional. You can decide to add description or not. And here you have to select this folder. Click on this and locate your desktop. So this is the repository, just the same thing here. Select this one, select here, check this, and then create repository. Okay, well, that is done. Your repository is created. Minimize this. So the next thing you need to do is open your repository. So once you open this repository, you will see the food blog that you created using the desktop version. So the next you need to do now is to open the project folder. In this case, this is my project folder. I will open it, and once I open it, you have to open this food blog. Open the food blog, then copy the content. Copy this content, copy it to the repository, and paste it here. Wow, that is done. So the next thing you need to do, you can minimize this. The next thing you need to do is to open this. You can see that all the changes are here. So after this, go to this, write initial commit. It can be anything. It can be first commit, it can be anything, but I decided to use initial commit. You can say initial commit. Okay, then click on commit to changes and wait for it to commit to changes. It's committed to the main, committing the changes. So we just hang on while it commits the changes. You see committing all the changes. It's committing to the main, committing the changes to the main, changes in the files, committing it to the main. It's still running. Alright, it's done. So the next thing we need to do is to upload. That's the publish repository. So go ahead to click on publish repositories, sign in with the browser, open with this, click on this, continue with browser. You can minimize this. Okay, so once that is done, it is connected. The next thing you need to do is click on the repository again. The food blog is the name. Description, I don't want to add any description. Uncheck this because you don't want to keep the this code private. You want to make it public. Publish the repository. So now it is pushing all of it to GitHub. So we just hang on why it pushes all of them. It's publishing right now. It's pushing it to your account, pushing the repository to your account on GitHub. So just hang on while it upload all the files. All the files have been uploaded. Yeah. So if you want to check for the progress, you can check somewhere here. Look at this point. You will see it's writing, it's uploading all the files. We have about 340 something files here, so it's uploading all of them. You can check the percentage and know how much has been published or has been written to the object. So let's wait for it to finish pushing it to the origin. Okay, I think it's almost done. Okay, so it has been published to GitHub. So the next thing we need to do is go over to your browser, refresh this page. When you refresh it, now look at this. This is the blog. It has now, this is the repository. It has been created. So what you need to do now is click on this and go over to setting, and then go over to pages. Click on pages. So here under the source, click on this drop down and select main, save. Click on save. Okay, so what was left now is for this this stuff, this green this blue background to turn to green. Once it turns to green, you know that your website is ready to be viewed, and this will be the link. Yeah, this will be the URL of your website. So what you need to do at this point is to refresh the page. Refresh it one more time. Okay, no, that is not. Now you will keep refreshing the page until this turns green, and this symbol over here turns to very good symbol, just like checked, you know. So you refresh it one more time, refresh it again. So you'll keep refreshing it until it turns green. You can hang on for a while and wait for it to finish. In this tutorial, I will keep refreshing until it turns green. You can give it like a minute or two for it to complete the process before you can be able to view your website. Now if I try to view this website, this link, okay, great, it's done. You can see now it has turned to green. It's turned to green. So now it's done. Now look at the website over here. So you can easily click, or if you don't want to follow, just click on this link. Yeah, you can see the website. This is there. And now this website is live. So this is how you can upload your website to GitHub. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, and share this video, and also hit the notification